Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make coconut burfi, which is also known as Nariyal Methai. So let's get started.
I've got here 2.5 cups of shredded coconut. You can always use desiccated coconut or fresh coconut. 2 cups of raw sugar. You can always use white sugar. Half a cup of water. 1 teaspoon of melted ghee for greasing. 4 cardamom pods crushed. A pastry brush and a small baking tin or a glass dish to set our burfi in. The first thing we need to do is grease our baking tin. Use the melted ghee to grease the baking tin so the burfi comes out easily after it sets, and put it aside. Now take a non-stick fry pan, put it on low heat, add the shredded coconut and dry roast it until you get a light golden brown color, stirring it regularly. Take it out in a dish and put it aside. To make the sugar syrup, take the same non-stick fry pan, wipe it clean, put it on medium heat, add sugar, water and cardamom powder, give it a mix and bring it to a boil, making sure that all the sugar has dissolved. When it starts to boil it for 3 minutes or until the syrup becomes sticky and you get one thread consistency. To check this, take a little bit of syrup in a spoon, let it cool down slightly and touch the syrup with your forefinger and thumb together and slowly pull it apart. A thread should form. The syrup is ready. Now add your coconut and mix it well. And cook it for 3 to 4 minutes until the mixture thickens slightly, stirring it continuously. Pour it into your greased tin. Spread it evenly and press it firmly down using a teaspoon. While the mixture is still hot, cut it into any shape or size you like. Let it cool down completely for 1 hour before taking it out of the tin. I'm going to finish taking out the rest of my burfi and I'll dish it out and show you. My coconut burfi or Nariyal Methai is ready. Enjoy.
If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.